are at Chandy's Lounge. Barbecue wings. We got 50 of them in there?
We got 50.
Okay, what we're going to do is we are going to have a chicken wing eating contest. This gentleman will have 5 minutes to consume 50 wings. 5 minutes?
15 minutes.
He's got 15 minutes to eat all these?
15 minutes, and he has to at least get 2/3 of the meat off of every chicken wing on here. 50 of them, sweet barbecue sauce, Chandy's house. Let's rock and roll.
Okay, let's bring him out.
Excuse me, gentlemen. There he is.
Oh, yeah. Hold on. Let me get it.
I like this. 50 wings, 50 wings, under 10 minutes. See if you can do it up. Okay. What's your full name? Full name.
Steven Menson. Steven Menson. Do I get, hold on, we gotta get Spence to give me a tray. I need to put the empties.
Oh, we got a bucket. How apropos.
What do you need? What do you need? What do you want? What do you want? Ready?
I'm waiting for the word. Ready? Go! Come in. John! John! Get this guy close.
Now he's already consumed how many before this?
Come on!
10. He's already had 15 before this.
Take control.
And I can escape it. And all I keep
Come on! Come on!
I'm missing you. I hear it all the sound of missing you.
Come on! Come on! Eat it!
2 minutes, 35 seconds!
Beautiful, beautiful.
Reversal of fortune.
8 minutes! Come on! Come on! Go for it! Come on, you do it! Awesome! That's a ball game. Come on!
Wasn't hard to see, I had lost control.
9 minutes, 30 seconds! You can do it! You guys got a lot, man. Yeah. It's all going
Up rocking your beats for the weekend. DJ Mike Setlock in the mix on the all-new Club Z.
Oh my God.
Can we get some red, white, blue extra for Cat?
Got it?
Hungry.
seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's 15 minutes right there, folks. Big round of applause. Come get some! I got 15:30 on my clock here.
You got 15:30?
Gloves in them, gloves, spray, and into the can. Steve, how you feeling? Okay?
I can use a beer.
A beer,
Yeah.
definitely, definitely.
Good shit though, this is awesome.
Beer over here.
That was the best, those are the best wings. Best wings in Buffalo, right here, right here. Oh, no, we got it covered. Oh, yes. One wing, that's the lone wing. The last wing. Warm it up. All right.
Well, we'll rinse it off. Cold wing meat.
50th wing. This is the 50th wing. 50th wing. Joe, you're my witness. This is the 50th
There it
wing.
is, right there.
Sounds like what? 2 minutes behind schedule.
Dude, all in the can. There it is. Outstanding, outstanding. When the contest is September when?
September 6th, right? September 6th.
September 6th. It was Pilot Field. It's now
That Coca-Cola Field, Bison Stadium.
Field, Bison Stadium. Oh, yeah, that's the ticket right there. Awesome. Yeah, all over the floor and the thing and everything.
Represent this guy? This guy's the real deal, man. Seriously.
He is.
Disgusting. Puking, eating his chicken wings. There you go.
Reset. It's called training. It's called, you don't think Bodie Miller pukes?
That was 20 wings in, and what? A case of beer? 20 wings and a case of beer in.
You don't think Bodie Miller pukes? You don't think, who else?
They don't have beer in our 20 wings that they can't. I feel like 50 wings in what, 16 minutes? 16, I was calling to pass my time limit. I call them out all day long.
Call Jimmy Reeves out.
Jimmy Reeves. You come right here. This table. 101. No wings and no beer from me. All day long.
Right there. Chandy's.
Following our bus event, our next bus event, we'll have 3 heats of championship double figure eight racing coming up.